Hi guys, welcome back to Ballroom Dance Chicago. Today we'll be learning the underarm turn in preparation for your wedding.
Now, something to keep in mind with this turn is that it comes from the box step. So if you don't know the box step or you need some review, look at our tutorial for the box step. Why don't we show them how it looks really quick and then we'll move on from there. I'm gonna be the leader, so if you're learning the leader's part, follow me.
And if you're learning the follower's part, follow me.
Great, here we go. So from the box step, I lead the turn around here, and we come back together. Let's show that one more time. So it happens on the back half of the box. She goes under, and then we meet up. Why don't I show you the leader's footwork really quick? Actually, pause that. Why don't we show the arms first? That's the hardest part.
Yeah.
Let's show the arms. Okay, so all I really have to do is drop the right arm, and that's how Anna Marie knows that the turn is starting. The turn actually starts, though, when I initiate this pull outward with my left hand. So it's coordinated like that. I drop the right arm, and I initiate this outwards with the left arm. How about you for the follower? Any pointers?
Some pointers for the follower is when your leader drops their right hand, we will drop our left hand, and we will wait for our leader to initiate that turn, so we avoid colliding.
Cool. Why don't I show you the leader's footwork, and we will then show you the follower's footwork, and we'll put it all together for you, okay? So let's go footwork. It's pretty simple for the guy. We just keep doing a box step, and nothing actually changes. The turn would happen, just a quick note, on the back half here, and that's the leader's footwork.
Followers, our footwork is a little bit more complicated, but still doable. I will do the back half of the box, going back side together. Our leader will drop their arm on this forward step. We'll walk around, and side together to be back up.
Cool, so why don't we actually just put that together so that the lead and the footwork are all there together, okay? So we're gonna go forward, side, close. As I step back, I drop the arm and invite her out. Let's do another box. We'll show it to you again really quick. Drop my right arm on the back half. She goes out. And that's pretty much it. Just to go on timing here, the timing doesn't actually change from the box step. So we had talked earlier about slow, quick timing in the box step. That does not shift at all.
But again, if your timing for your song is different than that slow, quick, then feel free to shoot us an email or give us a call and we'll help you match that step to your song.
And also stay tuned for our next tutorial where we will be showing you what we call a side basic step. So if the box step doesn't work for you or just feels strange, or if you want something different to do, we will show you the side step next. Thanks.